process here.
It's interesting a moment ago that you mentioned transparency, because something that clearly has been an issue over the last number of years with things like investment banking and derivatives trading is that the investment banks, the hedge funds, the private equity firms, they have the brightest minds, and when it comes to understanding these fearsomely complicated contracts, the regulator is kind of left trailing in their wake. Is there any way you think that we can find a way to even up that balance, that the regulators fight on an even footing?
Well, I mean, precisely by having more transparent markets, by having stronger standards of due diligence, by reducing unnecessary complexity. I mean, I heard it the other day that the amount of information pieces, if you like, or data required to understand a CDO squared, something like 1 billion. Well, not even the market participants understood what was going on there. Not even the most sophisticated institutions which bought these products fully understood what they were buying. Now, that type of finance is no good to man or beast, so we want to have a system that, on the regulatory and supervisory side, there is full understanding, full access to information of what's going on in the derivatives markets, in those complex markets. That's why we're going to be insisting on that in our forthcoming directive in June, in roughly June, July, late June, early July. Commissioner Barnier bringing forward the Commission's proposal on OTC derivatives. And in that proposal, certainly we'll be talking about supervisors having access to all information and all the OTC market information, which they have not had up to now. You can't regulate a market if you don't know if half of it's missing. Likewise, when we come to dark pools, we want to look very carefully here at the pre- and post-trade transparency regime of MiFID. Are the dark pools, is the information getting to the right people at the right time? Is everybody trading on a fair basis? And so this is works on a slightly slower track, but we intend to bring forward ideas about that towards the end of the year. So financial markets, they should apply some of the principles of public service. We're told it's good to be transparent and open. The financial markets should follow what they preach to the public sector.
David Wright, thank you very much for your time.